What's up guys, we are in Iceland right now, about to fly some FPV with the only FPV drone I now have on this trip because Delta lost my luggage and it is in Detroit. So, this is the only drone I have with me. I have propellers from Schwanner. I have an ND filter from Schwanner as well. Charging my batteries off of Dobby's charger. Using microphones from Danny. And a tripod from Iceland. So, we're getting in the air though, that's all that matters. So this really sick waterfall, I'm flying the 5-inch FPV drone from GepRC, the Mark 5, flying a 1550 LiPo battery, 6S, and we have the GoPro Hero 12 on here. And the lighting is a little weird, so we're gonna try ND16. I think that looks good. Actually gonna double check it real quick. The lighting dropped a little bit, so I might actually even bump it to an ND8, but we're gonna take off, get a quick pack in, and see what we can find. So I'm gonna prep the gear, and then we'll get the drone in the air. All right, so I'm about to fly now. I just walked down here, so I have better signal while I'm flying, so I'm at the base of the waterfall. So, drone is set up, ready to go. We're gonna plug in. Trying to go quick, because there's rain moving in. So the sun went away, so I swapped to an ND8. Especially for these shadows, it's kind of dark in this canyon, so I think that will look a lot better for this shot. Lighting looks good. Camera angle looks good. Let's clean this lens real quick. All right, we're gonna fly a pack real quick. Connection looks good. Goggles are connected. All right, let's go for it. I already have water droplets on my lens from the rain moving in. So I'm gonna fly down this canyon real quick. Spin back. I wanna fly really far out of it. So right here, sick. And I wanna dive right past these little rocks here and then up the river real low. Let's go here. To the waterfall. That wasn't the smoothest dive. I'm losing my balance. I'm in a really weird position flying. All right, let's do another one. Let's just start here real high. Like this. Yeah, sick. They're all drawn out. Let's go up on the right. I could have made it on that left side there, but it would have been really jerky, like a sharp movement. So that's why I kind of pulled that one up around the rock instead of following the river, just to be like a more fluid movement. I want to follow this kind of bowl here on the ridge this time. So let's do another flight around the top rim. Go here. And follow it kind of along this here. Up around. Up around that rock again here. And let's pull up before I lose signal. Sick. Let's do the same thing. Let's follow the right rim now. So I'm gonna go up across the right side here. I might lose signal, but we're gonna hope for the best. Right past the bird, sick. kind of cool. I want to do one where I fly up the waterfall and don't dive it, or I just kind of go up into that canyon. Let's try that. I'm gonna start here. Get real close to some stuff. Now let's go up here instead. Sick. Oh, this canyon's so sick up here. Wow, I wonder if we can get up there. Holy crap. All right, let's fly out of here. Oh my gosh, so sick. All right, let's fly back and land it. I know that was a shot, that was everything. Ah, my legs are cramping up. I'm standing in this position for so long. Rough. I don't know if I can actually like, oh, here I am. I was trying to figure out where I was. All right, let's see if I can do a hand catch, because that's just like a weird, peculiar spot to try to land it. So let's bring it back. Come on. There we go. Boom. Oh yeah. That is the shot. Oh, this is so sick. It's just like seeing small previews of it right now, and it's insane. Cannot wait to put that on the computer. All right, guys, so yeah, that's the flight for this spot. I hope you guys are enjoying these BTS videos. This is the first one from this Iceland trip. Hoping to do a lot more. Hope my luggage gets here because I have all my other quads in it, and I won't be as nervous to send it harder, because if I crash a drone, it's not a big deal. I have literally 3 other drones in that bag. But yeah, so hopefully that bag gets here tomorrow, and I'll get all my gear and I'll be able to just start ripping even harder. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in this drone specifically, the GepRC Mark 5, I'll leave the link down in the description so you guys can go and find it there. And I will see you guys next time.